Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your one-stop channel for all things interior and exterior design. Today, we're venturing beyond traditional construction to explore the exciting world of modern prefab homes. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For those unfamiliar, prefab stands for prefabricated, meaning the key components of your home are built off-site in a factory setting, then assembled on your chosen location. This innovative approach is revolutionizing home building, offering a sleek, efficient, and often more sustainable alternative. Let's unpack the term modern prefab. Modern refers to a design aesthetic that emphasizes clean lines, open floor plans, and an integration of nature through ample use of glass and natural materials. When combined with prefab construction methods, the result is a stylish, functional home built with speed and efficiency. Think of it as a perfect marriage of form and function. Now, you might be wondering, why choose a modern prefab home? Well, the answer lies in numerous advantages. Here are some of the benefits of choosing modern prefab homes. First, faster construction. Prefabricated homes are built in a controlled factory environment, free from weather delays or on-site construction hiccups. This translates to a significantly faster completion time compared to traditional builds. Second, cost efficiency. Due to factory production and streamlined processes, prefab homes can often be more budget-friendly. Material waste is minimized, and labor costs can be lower. Third, sustainability. Prefab construction often utilizes eco-friendly materials and sustainable practices. Tight building envelopes and efficient insulation lead to lower energy consumption. Fourth, quality control. Factory-controlled production ensures consistent quality and high precision in construction. Every piece is meticulously crafted to fit seamlessly. Fifth, design flexibility. Contrary to popular belief, modern prefab homes aren't cookie-cutter designs. Many companies offer customizable floor plans and finishes, allowing you to personalize your dream home. Sixth, reduced maintenance. Modern materials used in prefab homes are often low maintenance and durable, saving you time and money in the long run. Seventh, technological integration. Prefab homes can be designed with smart home features pre-installed, offering a seamless blend of functionality and modern living. Eighth, travel-friendly locations. Prefab construction is ideal for remote or difficult-to-reach locations, as pre-built modules can be easily transported and assembled. Ninth, environmentally friendly. Prefab construction often generates less waste than traditional builds, protecting the environment. 10th, unique aesthetics. Modern prefab homes offer a distinctive aesthetic that stands out from the crowd. The cost of your modern prefab home will vary depending on various factors such as size, chosen finishes, level of customization, and location. Generally, prefab homes can be more affordable than traditional builds of comparable size and quality. However, be sure to factor in all costs, including delivery, foundation work, and site preparation. How to designing your modern prefab home facade. The facade, or exterior, of your modern prefab home is your first impression. Here are some design tips for creating a stunning entrance. First, floor-to-ceiling windows. Embrace the connection with nature by incorporating expansive windows that bathe the interior in natural light and offer breathtaking views. Second, mixed materials. Create visual interest by combining wood accents with sleek metal siding or warm stone veneers. Third, play with volumes. Opt for a dynamic facade by incorporating different levels or geometric shapes in the exterior design. Fourth, rooflines with a statement. Explore dramatic flat roofs, angled rooflines, or overhangs to add architectural interest. Fifth, sustainable landscaping. Complement the modern aesthetic with drought-tolerant plants, native vegetation, or a green roof for a touch of eco-friendliness. The decision to choose a modern prefab home depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you value speed, efficiency, sustainability, and a modern aesthetic, a prefab home could be perfect for you. Now that you're armed with the benefits and design considerations, let's explore some inspiring modern prefab home design ideas. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best modern prefab home design ideas. 1. Minimalist marvel. Embrace clean lines, a monochromatic color scheme, and hidden storage solutions to create a sleek and clutter-free haven. 2. Mid-century modern revival. Channel the iconic mid-century style with geometric shapes, natural wood accents, and pops of vibrant colors. 3. Rustic modern fusion. Blend the warmth of rustic elements like wood and stone with sleek modern lines and expansive glass walls. 4. Shipping container chic. Upcycled shipping containers offer a unique and sustainable base for a modern prefab home. 5. Courtyard oasis. Design your home around a central courtyard, creating a private outdoor space that fosters connection with nature. 6. Prefab on a perch. Nestled on a hilltop or overlooking a scenic vista, a modern prefab home can maximize stunning views. 7. Multi-generational living. Prefab offers flexibility to create a home with separate living areas for extended families. 8. Compact living done right. Modern prefab excels at maximizing space in smaller homes, creating a sense of openness and functionality. 9. Prefab ADU, accessory dwelling unit. Expand your living space with a stylish and modern prefab ADU for guests, in-laws, or a home office. 10. Tiny home retreat. Embrace minimalism and eco-consciousness with a beautifully designed modern, prefab tiny home. Remember, these are just a springboard for your creativity. Modern prefab homes are no longer a niche concept. They offer a compelling alternative for those seeking a stylish, sustainable, and efficient dwelling. With careful planning and the right design choices, your modern prefab home can be your personal sanctuary, a reflection of your unique style and a testament to the future of home building. Head over to the comments section and tell us what excites you most about modern prefab homes. Have you ever considered building a prefab home? We'd love to know your opinion. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home design content. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.